meet again with me, Tono. Today we will draw a boat. Today we will draw a ship. We will draw a ship or boat sailing on the sea. So, what color will we give the ship, friends? Please look at the video this time. Friends, please help me to click subscribe so that friends don't miss the latest videos from this channel.